After the milk has sat in the fridge overnight, we have two products. Below this line, and the majority of our jar is going to be the milk that we'll drink. Above this little line is about an inch thick, is what we call cream, and it's thicker, and we're going to take it off the top. What you do with the cream is you can make butter, ice cream, whipped cream, cream cheese, all that, sour cream, all that good stuff comes from the cream. And as you can see, we're in winter right now, so our cream line isn't that big, which means it takes a lot of cream and you don't get very much per gallon of milk. So all you have to do to get your cream is I just use a ladle and you dip it into the top of the milk, and it's gonna be pretty heavy and chunky. Like, look how chunky that is. And we're just gonna put it in another mason jar. But because the cream is heavy, you can easily see it and get it out. And you know you're getting milk because it has kind of like what I would call a bluish tint. And this is how we separate the cream from our milk. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it out until it becomes room temperature. And then we'll make some butter later this afternoon. All right, so our cream is sat out all afternoon and it's room temperature. It doesn't feel cold. And you can make butter in several ways, but I thought I'd show you this way in case it'd be something you all wanted to try at home. You just need heavy whipping cream and you put it in a mason jar and you shake it. And I'm gonna shake this for a little while and then I'll show you what the end result is. So I shook this for a little while, and as you can see on the top, there is our butter. So what I'm going to do is I now have another milk product. I have the butter, and then I have this liquid that's going to come off of this is going to be buttermilk. You use buttermilk to make cakes and stuff like that. And you want to just drain all of that buttermilk off your butter. And then I'm going to put my butter back in my jar. And I'm going to rinse it with some cold water. And I'm going to rinse it several times until when I empty the water, it comes out clear. All right, so I've rinsed my butter and I'm going to put it in my butter mold. And with a wet wooden spoon, I'm just gonna press it in here. And then I'm going to put it in the freezer till it's ready to come out. All right, I just took this butter we just made out of the freezer and I'm going to take it out of this mold. And there y'all have it. That's how you all can make butter. Thanks for watching.